Today I'm buying a sheep in Afghanistan. Yeah, you heard that right, a whole sheep. We'll take it to the butcher and then bring all the meat to an Islamic school, a Madrasa, where kids spend their days learning the Quran. From there, we're setting out to make their days special, taking them for a picnic by the pool, cooking up the sheep, and sharing a meal together. Alright, I'm back in Kabul with Asadullah. You met him before in previous videos. And right now we're actually going to buy a sheep that we're gonna bring to Madrasa for all the kids to eat. So it's gonna be awesome. And right now we're in Kabul's sheep market.
Yeah, it's called Naqash.
Naqash.
It's really like the flea market of sheep and cows and goats, everything.
Already we have the sheep. They all have different colors and stuff.
I always buy from this guy and he always gives me good deals.
Oh, yeah.
He's super happy because
Salam.
Salam.
Tell him today I'm buying the sheep. Yeah.
وزن رز داخلي ان شاء الله. خم اشتري هذا هو. Yeah, loves it. So the different colors you see, they're putting it so they know that whose sheep is whose. So their sheep is there.
Okay.
They have
Which ones are his sheep?
his sheep's over there.
Oh, okay.
So this right here, this is a sheep.
Okay.
You can tell it has that little.
Yeah, they have a really fat ass, bro.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bro, look at it jiggle, man. What the hell? Bro, these are Brazilian sheep, guys.
They got BBL,
yeah,
bro.
BBL, bro. Look at it. What the fuck is that? I don't think I've seen them
BBL stands for Brazilian
butt-lip.
booty lamb.
Booty lamb.
Brazilian booty lamb.
Oh, that's crazy. So what's the price of the sheep?
A difference. So one thing you asked me, right? One question: what's the difference between it's called the meat of a lamb, sheep, and a goat?
Yeah.
So lamb is a baby sheep.
Okay.
So a lamb has a little bit more fat. The goat has less fat. You see, in a goat, it doesn't have that much fat. Over here, if you cut the meat, you slaughter it, there's a lot of fat into it. But goat doesn't have that much fat. It has more meat to thing. But a goat, if it's not baby goat, the meat is more like gamey. It's like, it tastes very gamey. This is how you could tell how old it is.
Oh, yeah. By the teeth. This one is like young, like 3 years old, 4.
No, bro, it's like 7-8 months.
Really? What the hell?
These 2 teeth, if these 2 bottom is big, that means 1 year. If 4 of them up, this is gonna be 2 years. See?
Yeah, this one's older, yeah, it has fucked up teeth.
These 2 right here,
they're long, okay.
They're long. That's 1 year old.
Which goat would you pick? Which sheep would you pick? I would pick the one with the fattest ass, actually, like. Yes. Oh, yeah. Maybe this one, actually, yeah. What are you checking now?
We're checking right now if it's more bones to meat. So right now this is like
A lot of bone?
no, this is good. Like
It's good?
Check out the back, like watch. You see, like it's very wide, so it has a good amount of meat.
Oh, yeah.
You see, like see this one right here? It's all the bones. You feel the difference? Wants to give it a walk. You check out how big it is. You know, let it walk. Let it jiggle.
No, that's a nice jiggle. That's a nice jiggle. I can pay a premium price for this one. Look at his ass, bro. Look at that. Look at it jiggle. Ooh, negotiations are on.
Trying to say 13 and a half, but he always
Oh,
he always does this like high. I always end up getting it for like 8,000, 9,000.
13 and a half. That's fucking a lot.
You go 11,500. He's keep on going down. Nah, so we're gonna give
10,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was our goal, anyways. I knew the sheep was worth 10,000.
Yeah. It's a good sheep. Like, I don't mind paying 10,000 for that ass.
Now we're gonna slaughter the sheep, inshallah. I'm gonna slaughter.
Oh, here?
Yeah, we're gonna
slaughter it here.
There's a whole area where they have a cleaning area, like a whole area.
Oh shit. So right now we're gonna go and butcher the sheep, bro. Holy shit.
We're gonna slaughter halal.
Look at that. Halal slaughter. Oh, we're going inside the butcher house. Oh my god. Oh, you can see this one was already butchered and he's removing all the organs and stuff. This is gonna be the first time I see an animal being slaughtered in front of me. It's the first time, guys. I never saw it before. Guys, I just bought the sheep and now it's gonna be slaughtered. I couldn't even name it.
Before we start, we said Bismillah.
Hey, bro. Oh my god. First time I've seen Sheep being slaughtered. Wow, that's crazy.
So he messed up my eyes. Check out my eyes, man. Look at
So it wasn't supposed to shoot like that, or what?
No, because he was supposed to aim the head like towards that way, but when I started, it went boom.
Yeah, you have a little bit of makeup now, you know. It's natural makeup, bro.
This is for the Matt Shoe followers, for you guys, huh?
Bro. I didn't like think it's gonna be that fast, you know. We just took the knife and holy shit.
It's a sharp knife. It's all about the knife.
Yeah.
If you sharpen it correctly, I told him, hey, it's a sharp knife. He's like, bro, I didn't believe it. I said, Bismillah, Allah Akbar. Boom. Before we started, we'll say Bismillah, Allah Akbar. That's what makes the animal halal.
Yeah. Bro, that was unexpected. Like, I was watching it straight with my eyes and I just saw it open his throat. What the hell, bro? But I took it better. I thought I'm not gonna be able to even look at it, but yeah.
It's not that bad, right?
Yeah, it's not that bad. Well, for me, it's not that bad. Maybe for
they allow kids to see this type of stuff because they see what life and death is. This is the circle of life.
Yeah.
The animal lives, so it gives us energy. It gives us protein.
Yeah.
We cannot live like this. One guy was like, oh, our body is not meant for us to eat animals. I was like, you're saying this because you live in America. But if you're living in Africa where there's no plants or no vegetables, Africa is big, right? There's a lot of places. But if you're living in the Sahara Desert, the only thing you have is animals. The only thing you can be eating is, and drinking, you'll be drinking, it's called milk, and eating from the animals.
No, of course. Like, we adapt to our environment and we can digest like protein and we can digest, you know, vegetables and stuff. So we can eat whatever we can digest, so.
We picked up all the meat from the butcher, paid for the sheep, and then headed to the Madrasa, an Islamic school where children learn about Islam. We're gonna spend some time watching them study Quran, and then we're gonna head to a picnic by the pool to relax and have some fun.
So this is the classroom, right?
This is the classroom.
Okay, so this is where the kids are studying the Quran and everything?
Yes, they study Quran. You see a system, you see like...
So they all recited different points?
Yeah, they were saying in different pages. Because not all of them are memorized. Some memorization, some people have better memory, so they memorize more. So everyone has different, like, it's called, there are different points at different levels. Some students, they come early, some people come later. Some people memorize fast and some people memorize slow. So everyone is memorizing at different points.
So the point is to memorize all of the Quran?
The whole time is Quran. After they memorize it, then they're going to start learning Arabic. After they start learning Arabic, they're going to start learning Islamic rulings. You know, how to become a judge, basically.
Yeah. How long does it take to memorize the Quran?
It can take about 1 to 2 years. It all depends on how you memory. Some people take 7 years because they're busy, but a young kid like this memorizes in 2 years, 1 to 2 years.
But it's a very thick book. Like, I don't even know how would you memorize them. So why are they doing this movement? Like,
the rocking, it helps you. You don't have to do it. Like, some students don't do it, right?
Yeah.
Some people stay still, right?
Yeah.
It's all about, it keeps you like focused. Sometimes it keeps you focused. You know, it helps you with memorizing. Like if you just shoot you sometimes, it's a habit. Like they probably don't even know that they're doing it. It's just like they keep themselves in a rhythm. Because memorization, when you get yourself in the rhythm, you memorize by that rhythm. So it's like constantly like this, like 2 things to memorize. When he finishes memorizing his like lesson for the day, he comes.
yeah.
He sits down like this and he watches you.
But he's reading, no?
No. It's off from his memory.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل
Oh wow, so they do like martial arts maybe?
Yeah, you do martial arts.
Yeah. Oh shit, bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Can he do like a backflip as well, like on standing?
Yeah,
like...
this question is...
Apparently all these kids are going in the same car as we are. I'm not sure how we're gonna fit them, but... Guys, I've been left with these kids, but none of them speak English. Can you say some Quran? Huh? I don't know how to communicate with them. None of them speak English. But yeah, all of them are students of this madrasa right here, and all of them are from like poorer families. But they come here, they study Quran, they study some sciences, and this. You're the chef. You're the cook, right? You make this. You?
Oh.
No, it's 10,000.
Oh, you are. You are 5.
Yeah, look how much I pay. Pay 10,000 for the
Yeah,
sheep.
five.
For you?
Oh, 5, 5. 5, 6, 6. Oh, wow.
He wants me to give him 5,000, bro.
Somehow we managed to squeeze all the kids into just 2 cars. And then we set off together for the picnic.
So you cannot listen to music in Afghanistan, but you can listen to nasheed, right? Nasheed. It's like some kind of prayers.
This says that a man, he goes and strives to find martyrdom. He goes his whole life is just to go to seek martyrdom, to die for the sake of God.
This is why Afghanis are such warriors. They listen to this music, bro. Oh my God, look at this pool, bro. It's literally crowded with so many people. This is Afghani sausage fest, guys. Afghani sausage fest, I'm telling you.
Hey man, this is sausage party, bro. That's why we invited you.
Yeah, thank you. I was missing this.
The water's so cold, by the way, too. It's freezing cold.
There's so many people here, bro. I didn't expect it to be that much, bro. We're gonna set everything up and then we're gonna be able to go for a swim. I actually don't know if I want to even go swim in this nasty ass water, but
Today, the kids will be the chefs, and they're making a traditional Afghan dish called korma, a simple but delicious meat stew. They start by picking out the best chunks of meat sheep and giving them a good wash.
Gospan S, no? Where S? No S? No?
Once the meat is ready, everything goes straight into the pressure cooker. Onions, garlic, ginger, fresh chilies, and a few simple spices. A splash of water goes in, the lid is sealed, and the cooker does the hard work. As the steam rises, the meat slowly turns soft and tender, soaking in all the flavors. To finish, they add a few slices of bell pepper for color and sweetness.
Bonjour.
Buongiorno.
Bonjour.
Buongiorno.
Bonjour.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
And just like that, the kids have prepared korma, hearty, rich, and perfect with fresh Afghan naan.
Right, it's time to go for an Afghani swim. We're going inside that pool. Bro, no idea what's happening, but we're trying to find our friends and we cannot go inside. My friend. Asadullah, my friend.
Thank you.
My friend. We're waiting with I'm not filming you, I'm not filming you, this is me, bro.
My name is Feroz. I'm from Afghanistan.
Nice to meet you. Alright, we're now in the pool. I have to get dressed. We have to get pants like this.
This is my regular pants.
Oh, this your oh shit, bro. But I don't have any swimming wear. Look at my swimming pants. Usually you would wear swimming shorts, but here's kind of like these pants that cover your knees.
Yeah, because over here, Shariat-wise,
Yeah.
you're supposed to cut. This is considered nakedness.
Yeah.
So we try to cover our nakedness.
So funny. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Just a bunch of dudes having fun, bro. This is so funny. So usually there's not that many people here, right?
No, in the summer it is.
In the summer, yeah.
But Fridays and off days, like Eid, a lot more, yeah. Because everyone's off.
Alright, boys, let's go for a dive. Well, I'm not gonna dive now. I'm just gonna jump. I want to hold my camera tightly so I don't lose it. You jump?
Oh, jump.
When does he? Huh? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, look at that. Whoa, let's go. Come on, salto, bro. Oh. How was it? But it's deeper. It's not that deep. I'm afraid to jump like this.
You do it, a lot of people, they do it.
Huh?
They do it, they dive.
Okay, let me try. The yellow, yeah, come on, jump! Oh.
But most people in Afghanistan, they don't know how to swim.
Yeah.
See, like even adults, like it's really weird.
Yeah, it's so funny here in Afghanistan. A lot of people ask me if I can swim, and it's like such a nonsensical question for me. It's like I thought everyone can swim.
And it's actually sunnah to teach your kids shooting, riding, and swimming. That's from the sunnah.
I don't know what they're saying, bro.
There's a shaman release that come from our guests tonight.
Really? They're playing some kind of weird game where you have to jump around on one leg and you have to push each other.
So you lost because you took out your hand from your leg.
Oh yeah, I understand. Yeah. Wow, it's hard.
What do you think, man? It's hard?
Huh?
Hard?
Yeah, it's hard. You know, I also didn't want to go with full force, but he went with full fucking force.
No, you got him though. He lost it first.
Really?
You won, yeah. You won. You won. Yeah, you won. You got cardio in right now.
Yeah. Now we get some food. All right, look at that. Everyone's sitting in the circle, eating. Can I hear?
The meat is good?
Yeah, very nice.
Very soft, right?
Yeah, fatty also.
His name is Blue.
Why?
My name is Dewana.
These are greasy.
Greasy.
As you can see, everyone's just eating from one shared plate, so this just shows you like the community vibes here in Islam countries as well. And all of them like prepared the whole meal. Imagine you go on a field trip in the West and the kids are actually the ones that are preparing their own food. That's crazy, right? But this is how the life is here. Guys trying to revert me to being a Muslim, okay? Ila ila. Come on. Say. That's what I need to say to be reverted? Asadullah.
Yes, become Muslim.
That's all I need to say?
That's all you need to say.
And you become Muslim?
Yes.
That's so easy. Okay, repeat.
La ilaha
Ila ilaha
illallah
illallahu.
Muhammad Rasul.
No. I'm not gonna say. Bro, they want me to become Muslim, bro. Everyone around here. I have to be careful here. Everyone, you might say the wrong thing and boom, you're a Muslim. You know, you don't even know what happened. This was my last video from Afghanistan. I hope you enjoyed this series. Keep exploring and see you next time.